endlessly striving for global success. HASM is emerging as a global leader in the manufacturing of special non-ferrous superalloy fasteners. HASM's manufacturing excellence can be seen across all production lines for Hastalloy, titanium, nickel, Monel, Inconel, zirconium, Incalloy, duplex, molybdenum, and stainless steel. From hot forging the first Hastalloy socket head cap screw in Korea, initiating new VMI contracts, obtaining QMS certificates, and opening the Paju manufacturing facility, HASM is establishing its presence in the global market, spearheaded by the International Sales Office in Toronto, Canada. HASM continuously invests in R&D and acquires manufacturing equipment. The cold forming division forms highly precise products with an increased hardness in room temperature. The hot forging division utilizes hydraulic presses ranging from 110-ton to 650-ton capacities to form various standard products as well as custom products. The precision machining division implements circular cutting and edge preparation simultaneously for increased output of high precision products. By managing multiple VMIs, maintaining a $20 million raw material inventory and $5 million finished product inventory, HASM provides the best price and delivery with excellent quote turnaround times. HASM serves the aerospace and defense, oil and gas, chemical, semiconductor, water treatment, navy and shipbuilding, and pharmaceutical bioindustry, which operate in extreme temperature, high pressure, and highly corrosive conditions. As a leading fastener manufacturer providing industry-tailored solutions, HASM is a partner that spearheads mutual development.